10 don'ts you should avoid for a successful Facebook advertising venture. Don't sell all the time. Facebook openly deprioritizes promotional posts from pages. This means if you are only talking in relation to your brand on Facebook, your fans are less likely to see them. The best bet is to mix in genuine posts in order to gain some trust with the newsfeed before you try to send out more promotional posts. Besides, you can always use Facebook ads for those messages. Don't create a profile instead of a page for your business. Sad to say, many brands make this mistake when setting up their social media presence. From the moment you start the process, you'll notice that it is quite simple to create a Facebook page for business. By the way, it is extremely helpful when it comes time for users to search for you on the platform. Don't post to the wrong Facebook account. Between accounts, whether professional or personal accounts, it is relatively easy to make the mistake of posting content on one account meant for another. It's more likely to happen when making updates on mobile devices. Luckily, tools like the PageModo Social Media Manager app help you have a clear idea from which account you are posting, thus reducing the chances of this occurring. Don't leave your company's About section blank. A preview of the About section of your Facebook page is seen beneath your profile picture, and it's definitely one of the first places people will look when they're watching your page. Your page should display relevant information about your company, i.e. what you sell, your website, etc., to help answer people's questions immediately. Don't use a dummy account. There's not much to say on this topic because dummy accounts infringe upon Facebook's terms and conditions, so simply don't create them. In order to avoid post-publishing difficulties, you can set up different publishing settings for different employees on your page. Don't write fake comments. Every business owner on Facebook wants to be engaged and looks forward to it. However, writing fake comments will not help you at all. Instead, it will do you a disservice. Also, fake accounts are easy to spot, and customers will happily announce it. Make it part of your plan to obtain real customer feedback, whether good or bad, because this will help you determine which content works best for your audience. Don't buy likes. A big amount of likes may seem important to the success of your Facebook page, but a fake fan following represents nothing but a downside. Fake fans can be the same as low engagement, which will negatively affect the likelihood of people seeing the content you post. If you're experiencing a low percentage of people engaging your content, then it's less likely you'll appear in the newsfeed. Don't share too much. Being careful is a good thing that must be applied all the time. For the things you share, don't share too much information. It's a good idea to have a checklist. If you are premiering a product and start posting hints or pictures too early, it could ruin the entire product launch. Don't use too much automation. Customers want to experience a personal touch. It's not very appealing if it sounds like a computer speaking to them. Make your brand as human as possible to make the engagement experience for the customer more personable. Don't delete negative comments. Admitting a problem can prevent the company from having a PR issue in the future. It could make upset customers become happy. If you acknowledge negative comments, it shows that your goal is to serve your customers and be proactive in resolving issues.